Alright YouTube, we're going to make this video for archival reasons. This is a 2016 Jeep JKU. It's got 123,000 miles on it. It's a great vehicle. We've owned it since brand new. It's had 1 mile on it. And anyway, today it is 99 degrees in Georgia. And I want to see with my new interdynamics thermometer what it reads driving around temperature-wise on here, because in my Suburban I'm reading 60 degrees on the thermometer at idle in this 99 degree weather, and then driving down the road at 2,000 RPM I'm getting 52 degrees on here. Here I just pull it out of the driveway, I'm at idle, and I'm like at 52 degrees. Just gonna drive around the block and see what happens. You know, it's hard to get information on the internet sometimes, all these opinions on, oh well, you should be getting this temperature and you should be getting that temperature. I just know that I'm always comfortable in the Jeep, and as such I want to be able to see what the Jeep is getting on the thermometer, sort of as not that it's a good comparison with a 28-year-old Suburban, but see what we might possibly get if we were driving around with this way, and just it might even help some other people out. You know, I don't know. Right now we're going about 1,000 RPM, not anything too fast, and we're just gonna drive around and see what we're dealing with here. Alright, that's almost in the green, which puts it around 44 degrees. Pretty good. I mean, not even over 1,000 RPM, and we're already doing that kind of cold weather, you know? I realize this is a more modern vehicle than the 1999 Suburban, but I just want to sort of know what we're dealing with here, you know? You know, the things I've read online, people say, oh, well, you know, your air conditioning should be able to cool 40 degrees, whatever the ambient temperature is, 40 degrees below that. Well, we're at 99 degrees, and we're going just putzing around the neighborhood at 1,000 RPM, encouraging. It's good to know. And this is R134A. Suburban's R134A, but not getting anywhere near this cold. We're going to put the garage where I realize we're not going to be out in the sun at least. And we'll see what sort of temperature, if anything, we get at idle in the garage. I'm curious. Tight garage. It's hard to get into. You could get in there.